Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Employee Leave Request WhatsApp Notification in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module enhances HR communication by automating WhatsApp notification for leave request. When an employee submits a leave request, the system instantly notifies manager for quick approval or rejection. Employee can also receive real-time updates on their leave status, ensuring transparency and efficiency. This module helps business streamline HR workflow, reduce email cluster, and improve responsive time for leave approvals. So here you can see a WhatsApp module. Here in this module you can see different types of WhatsApp template. Here we can see the three different types of WhatsApp template. Now under configuration, we will go into WhatsApp business account. Here you can see we have already created one account in the name of BrowseInfo. In that you need to add the app ID, app secret, phone number ID, phone number business, WhatsApp business account ID and access token. Here you can see the three templates have been attached to this business account. After all the information, we will go into the time off module and in here we will create a new time off. Click on new and create your new time off. In time off type, you can select whatever time off type you want. Here I am selecting paid time off. You can select the date. I am selecting 28th as my date of leave. Now here add a description. I am adding description as going out of town. After adding the description, click on save and close. Now you can see you have added a leave on 28th March. After this, we will go into the list view. Here you will find the list view and here you can see your time off you just created. Here you can see the date and description of your time off. Now in here you will also find a button named WhatsApp. Click on that. And here you need to select a template. Here I am selecting WhatsApp notification. And under that you need to add the phone number. Here I have added the phone number and here you can see the message for leave request. Here you can see the employee name. Here you can see from to date. Here you can see the type of the time off and description. After that, click on send message. Here in the log node, you can see that a message is sent on a WhatsApp. Here you can see a green WhatsApp logo is showing, which means this message has been successfully sent to your HR. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.